Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Timique Skin Glue. If you're stopping by our channel for the very first time, you're welcome to our skincare family. This channel is all about skincare formulation, product reviews, skincare tips, and everything about skincare. So if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, trust me, I'm missing a lot. Kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. You'll be the first to know. Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pro-mix a strong whitening black soap. When I say strong whitening black soap, I mean a black soap that will whiten you even without a body lotion, even without a whitening cream. This soap will give you that whitening effect. And for the pro-mixing, we need 2 wraps of raw black soap. This is one. And then this is the other one. We need just 2 of these. We need Mikako soap. We need 2 Mikako soap. We need Larissa stretch mark whitening oil and Shalom stretch mark oil. We need Asante soap. We need 2 of these. We need turmeric powder. We need blue alum. We need this bleaching soap, glutathione with kojic acid and vitamin C. It's a whitening program. This is a strong whitening soap, so we need 2 of these as well. We need our pink ozone soap. We need 4 of these. This is 3 and 4. We also need our white hash ball. I'll be making use of 4 of this. We need our cottage fresh soap. We need 2 of these, so this is the other one. Okay, cottage fresh, it's a good soap. We need our Shenic perfect leg. Remember we have stretch mark, and then remember we have these 2 anti-stretch mark treatment, and then we have Alanton to prevent any form of irritation. We need 2 citroclear oil. This is a good treatment oil. And we need 3 dope shampoo. This is a very strong whitening active for pro-mixing your soap, your black soap, your shower gel, your body scrub. This is a good whitening active for pro-mixing and safe to use. Okay, we also have here my whitening oil, propylene glycol, so your product will penetrate well into your skin. And my preservative is here, Germa Plus. My foam booster is here, and my whitening activator is here as well. Okay, this is my whitening activator. So we're just going to start grating the soap and then we'll go straight to it. So I'm going to start with the grating of the soap. That is the first soap we're mixing. We're going to grate and then add to the raw black soap. So I'm grating it now. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to grate everything and then come back, okay? Okay, I'm back. So this is our grated soap. This is what it looks like. Here we have Asante soap, we have Mikako soap, we have our 2 wraps of raw black soap, We have our pink ozone soap. This is a strong whitening and treatment soap. And then we have our bleaching soap. This is what the bleaching soap looks like. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now is add my liquid. So, oh, I've not added the, I have to add the cottage soap. We need two of these. Okay. So, these are our base. Okay. So come out. This is a very strong whitening soap. If you don't like this pro mixing type, you want the organic, we have organic whitening black soap on this channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you. But I think we have 2 or 3 type of organic whitening black soap on this channel. So if you don't want the pro mixing method, you can use the organic method. Please take your time to go through this channel, check out playlist. We have lots of videos here for you. You're going to learn a lot. Very educative. So this one is empty now. Let me get the other one. As you can see, I'm doing a very large batch. Okay, if you want something smaller, this quantity is too much for you. You can just divide the quantity. Okay, if you want more, then just multiply it. It's simple. It's that simple. Okay. So this is the other one. Told you we need 2 of this. I think I just have to use my glove because it's taking time to come out. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, Timique Skin Glow. Follow Timique Skin Glow on Instagram. Okay, and this soap smells really nice. So that is it for the cottage soap. It's time to add our liquid. So I'm just going to add my whitening activator. This here is 1 liter, okay? So you add 1 liter of your whitening activator. If after adding it you feel your soap is still too thick, then you can add more, okay? Just do it bit by bit so you don't add too much, so your soap don't turn out to be light, watery. This soap is really effective. And remember, we sell these ingredients if you need organic ingredient or pro mixing ingredient. They are available. Send me a DM on Instagram or a WhatsApp message. Okay, we deliver worldwide. Next thing I'm adding is my foam booster. (500 ml). Whitening activator 1 liter, foam booster 500 ml. Okay, the next thing is my whitening oil, 100 ml. I don't know if you can see it well. This is 100 ml here. So I'm just going to pour it in. This oil is available as well. If you need, you send me a message. Okay. So, Dove shampoo, we need 3 of this. This is a good whitening active for pro-mixing. It's best using your soap, your wash-off product, your scrub, not your lotion. Please do not use this in your body lotion. Use it in wash-off products, like your soap and your scrub. You can use it in your shower gel as well, okay? Right. This is the second one. And the third one. So the next thing I'm going to add is my citric clear oil. 2 citric clear oil. This is you can call it citric clear serum or citric clear oil. So this is it. And the other one. So please, this stain on my hand is the pink ozone soap. So don't think it's something else. This is the black soap and the pink ozone soap. That's why my hand is like this. That's why my gloves are looking that way. So I'm going to add this one for stretch mark prevention. This is to prevent stretch mark from your product. This also is for stretch mark prevention, shallow stretch mark. So this is our shallow stretch mark oil. This is my turmeric powder, 50 gram. Sandalwood powder, 50 gram as well. Allantoin powder to prevent any form of irritation and reaction, okay? This is 20 grams of allantoin powder. I'm just going to add propylene glycol 50 ml of this. This is our propylene glycol. So the product can work well for you. You need propylene glycol in your products. Just need 50 ml of this. So this is our propylene glycol. It's looking this way because I poured it into this. This was the cup I used for my whitening oil measurement. So that's why it's looking like this. Preservative will be the last after I check and balance the pH of this product. I'll add my preservative. So I have to mix now. So this spatula cannot do the job of the mixing. So you can just mix. That's why please always wear gloves when doing your production. So I'll just mix this and then leave it to sit for 5 hours, okay? 5 hours. And then after that, I'll check the pH of it. If it's not okay, I'll balance it. Your pH should be like pH 4, that's fine. And then add preservative 30 ml, okay? So this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Soak for 5 hours and then check pH, add your preservative, and that's all. Bye.